Hi, today's video is how to make tax season a breeze. I'm Amber Malone, owner of Amber's Accounting and Bookkeeping. Does tax season make you break out in hives? You're not alone. A lot of people feel that way. But what if I told you there's a way to make it less stressful? Today, I'm sharing my tips as an Advanced Certified QuickBooks ProAdvisor and from my former profession as a professional organizer. When you combine these two skill sets, you get one powerful plan for financial peace of mind. So let's dive into some tried and true strategies to make tax season a breeze. Tip number 1, stick to using one CPA or tax preparer. Switching tax professionals every year makes things harder for both you and them. Show loyalty and commit to just one. Their busiest season is January through April. So if you need a lot of time and attention and like to talk or visit in person, schedule meetings between May and December. That will be better for their schedule. Tip number 2, don't procrastinate. A lot of people do. If you prep throughout the year, tax season will be a lot less stressful and easier to deal with. Waiting until the last minute means you're cramming all 12 months of work into just a few stressful weekends. That's a recipe for disaster. By staying on top of your finances each month, you'll thank yourself later come tax time. Moving on to tip number 3, reconcile your books monthly. Make sure your bookkeeping is up to date every single month. Don't wait until December to go back and do a mad rush of reconciling them. If you've fallen behind, we specialize in catch up and clean up bookkeeping, and we would love to help. It's one of our specialties. Tip number 4, organize your tax documents throughout the year. Keep all tax-related documents in just one place, whether that's a physical folder in a filing cabinet or a digital one on your computer or in your email. Definitely keep them all in one place. Every time you come across something tax-related from the mail or from digital email, file it right away. Tip number 5, keep a list of where to find electronic tax documents on all the different websites that your banking and loans and investments are hosted on. Every year I keep a running list of where to go find those tax documents, bank statements, investment accounts, charitable giving, property tax records. It saves so much time. Tip number 6, track charitable giving and medical expenses year-round. Some people like to use a personal money management software to track that. That way, anytime you give to charity or anytime you have a medical expense, it's being recorded in software. Some medical expenses are tax deductible, and tracking them throughout the entire year makes it easier instead of doing, again, the mad rush at the end of the year. Tip number 7, keep business and personal finances separate. This is a huge, important tip to remember. Mixing business and personal finances creates unnecessary stress. Keep separate accounts for business and personal spending separate. It will save you time, money, and headaches, again, during tax season. Tip number 8, open your mail during tax season. We all hate junk mail and we kind of avoid the mailbox, but during tax season, open it. Many tax documents still come by mail, and ignoring them could cause delays in filing your return. There are 3 big benefits of staying organized. Coming from a professional organizing profession, let's recap those benefits of why it's important to be organized and stay organized during tax season. Number 1, your bookkeeper and accountant will spend less time fixing errors, which saves you money. Everybody likes extra money, right? And number 2, when you track finances year-round, you avoid the last-minute panic. Spend your winter months relaxing, enjoying the holidays, enjoying snow if you're in the north, and don't be scrambling at the last minute. And number 3, organization gives you control over your financial world, boosting confidence and reducing anxiety. Tax season doesn't have to be overwhelming. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to a less stressful tax year. If you need help getting caught up with your bookkeeping, we're happy to help. Check out our website at ambersbookkeeping.com and book a discovery Zoom meeting with me to see if we're a good fit.